So, is it better to be alive or dead? Is it better to put up with all the stupid, nasty things that people throw my way? Or to fight against all those problems by simply putting an end to them once and for all? Dying, sleeping. Isn't that all dying is? To sleep that ends all the heartache and shocks that life on earth give us. So that's an achievement to wish for, right? To die, to sleep, maybe to dream. But there's the stitch. When we die, who knows what kind of dreams might come? After we put the noise and commotion to life behind us, that's certainly something to worry about. That's the consideration that makes us stretch out our suffering so long. After all, who would put up with all life's humiliations, the abuse from parents, the insults of arrogant friends, the sharp pains of tough love, the emptiness of fairness, the rudeness of people, and the mistreatment good people have to take from bad, when you could simply take out your Tylenol bottle and call it quits? OMG, who would choose to moan and sweat through an exhausting life, unless they were afraid of something dreadful after death, the undiscovered place from which no one returns, so which we wonder about without getting any answers from, and which makes us stick to the bad things we know rather than rush off to seek the ones we don't? Fear of death makes us all cowards, and our natural boldness becomes weak with too much thinking. Actions that should be carried out at once get misdirected, and stop being actions at all. But oh, my boyfriend Ophelis is calling me. I hope he remembers me when he prays.